Are you tired of digging through hundreds of emails to find that one invoice? Learn how to auto-filter any keyword in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type to set up a filter that runs automatically on new and old emails. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Then click the Show Search Options icon on the right side of the search bar to open the Advanced Search panel. In the Includes the Words field, enter the keyword or phrase you want Gmail to filter, for example, invoice. Click on Create Filter to proceed. Now select the actions you want Gmail to perform when it finds matching emails. Optionally, check Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations to apply the filter to existing emails. Finally, click Create Filter again to save your filter. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.